Did you know that the habit of consuming beer, so common and seemingly harmless, can have a significant impact on the health of the penis and prostate in men over 50? Regular beer consumption, though often considered harmless, can profoundly affect men's health, especially after the age of 50. In this analysis, we will discuss how some compounds found in beer, such as phytoestrogens present in hops, impact hormonal balance and prostate function. Phytoestrogens have a chemical structure similar to estrogens, female sex hormones, and while their effect on the male body is milder, excessive consumption can subtly alter hormonal levels. The prostate gland, which plays a crucial role in sexual and reproductive health, is particularly sensitive to lifestyle habits and consumption patterns. Studies indicate that frequent consumption of large amounts of beer may increase the risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition that causes the gland to enlarge, making urination difficult and negatively impacting intimate quality of life. Moreover, the alcohol in beer acts as a vasodilator, initially promoting increased blood flow. However, over time it can weaken blood vessels, impairing efficient circulation and consequently erectile function. Good circulation is essential for physical response during moments of intimacy, and the compromise of this system can lead to significant difficulties. Another important aspect is the metabolic impact of beer. Rich in calories and carbohydrates, it can contribute to weight gain and increased abdominal fat, factors that lower testosterone levels, the primary male hormone associated with sexual desire and physical performance. Reduced levels of this hormone affect not only sexuality, but also energy, mood, and overall vitality. It is my mission to inform and raise awareness among men about the impacts of seemingly harmless choices. Understanding how beer can negatively influence intimate health and quality of life is a crucial step toward promoting healthier habits, allowing men to enjoy a longer life with greater emotional and physical well-being. Frequent beer consumption has effects that go beyond the immediate impacts of alcohol on the body. Hops, a key ingredient in beer production, contain phytoestrogens, chemical compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen, the female sex hormone. While the impact of phytoestrogens on men is relatively moderate, the habitual consumption of large quantities of beer can disrupt hormonal balance, increasing estrogen levels in the male body. Impacts on sexual desire and physical response. Elevated estrogen levels can lead to a reduction in testosterone levels, the primary male hormone responsible for sexual desire, energy, and vitality. This can cause decreased libido and impair the natural response of the penis, including difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. Additionally, blood circulation, essential for erectile function, is negatively affected by alcohol. While alcohol initially causes vasodilation, prolonged consumption weakens blood vessels, leading to poor circulation and reduced intimate performance quality. Effects on prostate health. The prostate, a gland vital for male sexual and reproductive health, is particularly sensitive to lifestyle habits, including alcohol consumption. Studies show that regular beer consumption is associated with a higher risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition characterized by prostate enlargement. This can result in difficulty urinating, a sensation of a full bladder even after urination, and interruptions in urinary flow, significantly affecting overall and intimate well-being. Excessive consumption and potential risks. Drinking 3 or more beers a day significantly increases the mentioned risks. Excessive alcohol burdens the liver, an organ responsible for hormone processing, which can exacerbate hormonal imbalances. Additionally, the accumulation of abdominal fat often associated with excessive beer consumption further lowers testosterone levels, creating a negative cycle that impacts metabolic and sexual health. For men, especially those over 50, it is essential to rethink beer consumption and other habits that may negatively impact hormonal, circulatory, and prostate health. Reducing consumption, balancing the diet, and adopting an active lifestyle can help preserve overall health, sexual desire, and intimate quality of life. Moreover, the habitual consumption of beer contributes to weight gain, especially in the abdominal region, hindering testosterone production and physical performance. Excess weight affects the cardiovascular system, which is essential for a good sexual response, and can increase the risk of diseases like atherosclerosis. For men who wish to maintain vitality and well-being, reducing beer consumption is a smart choice. Taking care of your health is an act of self-love and positively impacts relationships. Share this message with those who may benefit and subscribe to our channel for more information about sexuality, health, and aging with wisdom.